Hi guys, today we're gonna open Tsum Tsum the Pops.
The Funko Pop
Funko Pops.
Mystery Minis.
Minis.
And the Tsum Tsum Color
And
Pops.
Tsum Tsum Color Pops, yeah. They're only at Walmart right now.
Alright, so grab one and
Which one
we'll
are you
take
gonna
turns.
You gonna open that one? Okay, where are the scissors? Here, I'll cut it for you and then you can take it out. Which one we get? We got Marie from the Kitty Cat movie.
Aristocats.
Yeah.
We got Marie. She's so cute and she's bright pink. Okay, Lily's turn.
What is it?
Okay, so I think I'm gonna open this one.
Okay.
It's in another baggie. So this is pretty safe. Here's ready. 1, 2. We got Ariel! Like
Yay!
Ellen wanted!
So we got Ariel. She's so cute with her long hair and a tail. Whoop! Whee.
I want this.
Can you help opening that? You need help opening that?
Yeah.
You can take it out. I just gotta.
Watch out.
I want to see. What is?
Open it up. What did we get?
Is it Cogsworth?
It's the clock guy.
It's Cogsworth from Beauty and the Beast.
They're besties.
Cogsworth. He's cute.
Oh.
Nope, it's my turn next. Okay. So I'm gonna open another one of the Color Pops. We got
Figaro.
Figaro.
So we got Figaro, and he's in bright purple. And he's from Aristocats, just like Marie.
Which one are you gonna pick? This one or this one?
This one. What is it?
Sit, sit, sit. It is Miss Bunny. Which movie is this one?
So we got Miss Bunny, and she's in bright yellow. And
I like
she's
that.
from Bambi, I believe. He's got Bambi in this collection too.
You're last.
Yeah, it's this one.
Me or Ella's turn? That was my turn.
yeah.
It's my turn. Let's see what we got.
Oh,
We
look,
got-
the paint splatter.
Ooh, these are rare. We got the chipmunk from. Is it Dale or
Chip.
Chip? Ooh, we got Chip, and he's like, he's red and he has purple and blue splatters.
So we got Chip, and he's got paint splatters on him. So he's like a red color with blue paint splatter and a purple and blue one on that side. Yeah. So this is our collection so far. Very cute. I love the new Color Pop Tsum Tsums. And
I love Ariel.
she is cute. I like those little Funko Pop guys. We'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.